Today I am reviewing the Dell Precision 7077-80 mobile workstation laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to true professional-grade laptops, mobile workstations sit in a completely different category compared to standard consumer devices. And the Dell Precision 7780 mobile workstation is a perfect example of that distinction. This machine is not built for casual use. It is engineered for engineers, designers, architects, developers, and content creators who need serious computing power on the go. Right from the start, this system makes its purpose very clear. It is powered by the Intel Core i9-13950HX processor, a 24-core high-performance CPU designed for extreme multitasking and heavy workloads. Whether you're running large engineering simulations, compiling complex code, editing high-resolution video, or working in 3D modeling software, this processor is built to handle it without slowing down. Paired with this is the NVIDIA RTX 2000 8GB GPU, which brings professional-level graphics performance into a mobile form factor. This is not just a gaming GPU. It is optimized for workstation tasks like CAD design, architectural rendering, animation, and visual effects. It ensures stable performance in professional applications where precision and reliability matter more than raw gaming FPS. This particular configuration also includes 32 GB of DDR5 CAMM memory, which is one of the latest advancements in laptop RAM technology. CAMM memory is designed to improve speed and efficiency while reducing physical space inside the laptop. In real-world usage, this translates into smoother multitasking, faster application switching, and better performance when handling large files or complex projects. Storage is equally impressive, with options ranging from 1 TB to 2 TB of NVMe SSD storage. This ensures extremely fast boot times, quick file access, and smooth handling of large project files. For professionals dealing with massive datasets, 3D assets, or video libraries, this kind of storage speed is essential for maintaining workflow efficiency. Now let's talk about the display, because for creative professionals, visual accuracy is critical. The 17.3-inch Full HD IPS panel offers a large and immersive workspace. With 99% DCI, P3 color coverage, and 500 nits of brightness, the screen delivers accurate, vibrant, and sharp visuals. This makes it highly suitable for color-sensitive work, such as photo editing, video grading, and design work. The large screen size also improves productivity by giving users more room to work with multiple windows, timelines, or design tools at once. Additionally, support for up to 4 external 4K displays via Thunderbolt and HDMI allows for powerful multi-monitor workstation setups without needing a docking station. Connectivity is another strong area for this machine. It comes equipped with dual Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB-C, USB-A ports, HDMI, Ethernet, and a combo audio jack. This wide range of ports ensures compatibility with professional peripherals, external drives, monitors, and networking setups without needing constant adapters. Wireless connectivity is equally modern, featuring Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth support, ensuring fast and stable connections for cloud workflows, file transfers, and remote collaboration. Security and usability are also well thought out. The inclusion of a fingerprint reader adds biometric security, while the backlit keyboard allows comfortable usage in low-light environments. Combined with Windows 11 Pro, users also benefit from enterprise-level security features, IT management tools, and AI-powered productivity assistance through Copilot. One of the key strengths of this workstation is its ISV certification. This means it has been tested and optimized to work reliably with professional software applications used in engineering, architecture, design, and media production. This level of certification ensures fewer crashes, better compatibility, and more stable performance in mission-critical environments. Durability is another important aspect. The Precision 7780 is built to meet MIL, STD, 810G standards, meaning it has been tested for reliability under various environmental conditions. While it is not a rugged field device, It is designed to withstand real-world professional usage in offices, studios, and on-site environments. It is also worth noting that this particular unit has been upgraded by IST computers, including custom memory and storage configurations. This allows users to get a more powerful setup tailored for demanding workloads right out of the box, rather than relying on base configurations. In real-world usage, what stands out most about this machine is its consistency under pressure. Unlike consumer laptops that may throttle under heavy workloads, this workstation is designed to maintain performance over long periods of sustained use. That makes it ideal for professionals working on deadlines where stability is just as important as speed. Of course, this level of performance comes with trade-offs. The laptop is large and not designed for portability in the traditional sense. It is a mobile workstation, not an ultrabook. However, for users who need desktop-level performance in a portable form factor, this is exactly what it is built for. Overall, the Dell Precision 7780 mobile workstation is a powerhouse machine designed for serious professional work. It combines extreme CPU performance, professional-grade GPU capabilities, high-speed memory, and a large color-accurate display into a single portable system. If you're an architect, engineer, developer, 3D artist, or any professional working with heavy workloads and demanding software, this workstation delivers the kind of reliability and power that standard laptops simply cannot match.